Peep the technique.
In GGV2, you can harness the power of LFOs to modulate parameters for nearly any control slider. To access the LFO panel, click the LFO button within the Scene panel. To link an LFO to a slider, click on the Link button, then select the slider you wish to connect. There are also macros available to link to multiple sliders simultaneously. To add an LFO, click the Add button, which creates a new LFO in the list. You can add as many LFOs as needed. To remove an LFO, click the Remove button. The same applies to macros. Audio analysis. You can achieve audio reactivity using the Audio Analysis panel. Click the SPECTR button to open the panel. Here, you'll find a 6-band analyzer that you can link to any slider in the software. To connect a band to a slider, click the Link button, then select the slider you want to link. Adjust the sensitivity or offset to achieve the desired effect. To invert the movement, click the Invert button. To unlink all sliders, click Unlink. To unlink a single slider, right-click on it and select Unlink.